Hey my beautiful people, how are you guys doing? In today's video, I am making shortbread cookies. It's buttery, it's satisfying, it's so delicious. Let's get started right now. I will mix this together till it's smooth. I'm adding the flour a little at a time. Mix and repeat the process. I have plastic wrap on a cutting board. I will use the plastic wrap and my fingers to help shape the dough. I am using the back of the spoon to help shape the cookies even more. They don't have to look perfect. I just want them to look good, okay? I am using a kebab stick to poke holes in them, or you can also use toothpick. You can enjoy the cookies with tea, chocolate milk, coffee, or just by itself. These are some good cookies. I hope you give this a try. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video.